Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To create a solution that prevents and treats disease, add a heaping tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and a small amount of mild soap to a gallon of water and spray the tomato plants with this solution. This needs to be reapplied regularly to maintain its efficiency.
Take our lead.
Tomatoes need to be planted deep in the soil. The practice of deep planting accomplishes two key things for tomato plants. Planting tomatoes deep in the soil helps plants develop additional roots to absorb more nutrients and moisture. For one, it helps protect them from the perils of Mother Nature.
Take our lead.
Dry laundry or dish detergents are too strong for plant use, and even liquid laundry soap solution may harm some tomato varieties. To ensure the safety of your tomato, water it well and test spray a few of its leaves.
Take our lead.
The ideal solution ratio is 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per foot of plant height. If your tomato plant is 2 feet in height, you'll be feeding it 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt at least twice a month. Once on the 15th and another on the 30th would be perfect. For other plants, the general rule is once every 6 weeks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.